screen looks like mine?
I don't really like
To make this map look kind of similar to this map, but maybe more like this area right here, where we think that
right here.
the eyeball's going to go. So if everyone looks over at my screen and see what I do. I'm going to pinch until I can't pinch anymore. And then I need to try to center it as best I can so that way I can see, I need to see Brazil, and then I need to see a lot of the North Atlantic Ocean. And some of the South Atlantic Ocean too, if you can see that. On it, we need to click the snap button. So I'm going to go ahead and click snap.
Oh snap!
Oh snap.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap!
And then I need listening hands and laugh again. Eyes up on my screen. The first thing that we need to do is we need to put in our starting point for our eye boat. So the way that we do that is it's actually already on the arrow. So I'm going to touch the arrow. I can change the color of the arrow if I want. So I'm going to have my arrow be a green. And then I can touch off on my screen and it will get rid of my color choices. Now if everyone can look over here because I want to show you how to make the arrow. You kind of have to touch and slide. So I'm touching on my screen, I'm sliding a little ways, and then I let go. And there's my arrow. I want to move my arrow a little closer to Brazil. It's probably going to be somewhere around here in Brazil. I'm not sure. It could be somewhere over here in Brazil. They didn't exactly tell us where. But I'm going to bring my arrow a little closer to Brazil. So if I click on it, and then touch it and move it in, let go, and now it's a little closer in. Once you get your starting point, we want to label that because we know that's our starting point. So I need to touch the lowercase a and see how that turned light gray. Then I need to pick my color and then touch off it, and you'll get the keyboard. And I'm going to type in start, and then I click done. And then I want the start to be next to my arrow, right? So once I've labeled start, the next thing I need to do is I need to write where I predict it's going to go. The way that I'm going to do that is with the marker. So I need to touch the marker and then choose my color. And then I get to draw in my predictions. I think it's going to go like this and end up there. Then I would need to put my arrow and put finish or end. Then the last thing you probably want on this is a title. So what would be a good title for this map?
Oh.
You forgot, Lily? Where the eye boat will go. Where the eye boat will go, that's a great title.
Predictions on my prediction on where the eye boat will go.
My prediction on where the eye boat will go. You want to come up with a good title. Again, the way you get your title is the same way that you do start, and then you need to touch the A button. Are there any questions about what you're going to do right now?
Why not?
Okay, then go ahead and make your prediction.
I'm trying to do orange and make my prediction. Every time I do that, it touches.
You need to do cancel on that, and then you need to touch the marker to draw.
It's going to start in the water. It's not going to start. Yeah. Explain to me what you have here.
I think it's going to start at Brazil and land in London.